Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is another One Stop Watch video number 7. You guys, look at my potatoes and garlic. It's coming along quite well, I should say myself. Up next is week 17 mint. Now, y'all saw me cut off all those flower buds last week. And look, they just regrew. This plant really wants to die. Well, I should say it really wants to go to seed. But no, I want the mint plant to stay all year round. But anyway, I've been picking off those buds. And as you can see, I just put them inside the pot. Because I'm just like, I don't understand. But I will keep cutting off the flower buds. And if it keeps growing back, then I'm gonna cut lower now. It's gonna be thick in the pot. I don't know what to tell you, but yeah. Moving on to week 19 mystery seed. You guys, I have another female flower, and I think this might be a spaghetti squash. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Alright you guys, let's get into week 18 corn, which is no longer thriving. I mean, just look at it. Any potential corn seem like it has went with the breeze. It's gone, okay? The cucumber plant is doing well. I just haven't seen any more cucumbers as of yet. Alright guys, let's get into week 22 seedlings, where I have some tomatoes here in the pot in the crate with the onions and tomatoes. You guys, my basil looks so good. This is the crate with the basil and tomatoes, and the basil is doing awesome. Okay guys, let's get into this watermelon plant that is taking over the pot with the radishes. And look guys, I have a baby sugar baby watermelon female flower plant. I just hope that it's pollinated, but look at that you guys, I'm so excited. You guys, I'm just showing you the radishes that is going to seed, and I'm wondering, should I pull this up? Now we have the ginger, and You guys, the ginger is doing so good, and I'm looking forward to having some ginger and regrowing it again. You guys, I have a lot of respect for cauliflower because it is still growing strong, even though it keeps getting ate to the stem. Like, look at this, but it's still there. Now, do I believe I'm gonna harvest some cauliflower? No. You guys, let's get into this tower where I have eggplants and different types of peppers, but I only have seen habanero peppers. And you guys, my eggplant flower has been pollinated. Look at that. I'm so excited. Look at my habanero pepper that is ripe, you guys. I'm so excited for my habanero peppers because I told you I love spicy food. Although habanero pepper's not spicy to me no more, but I still love the taste of it. And look at that, I got some more over there. You guys, right here I slowed down the clip because I realized that there is another eggplant that I didn't notice when I was recording. Now you have to understand, I love gardening, but I do not like bugs, so forgive me for not going all up in there because it's spiders and you know, I just Last week when I recorded One Stop Watch video number 6, it was a spider that was on an eggplant that I didn't even notice, and I was all up in there too, and I actually moved the leaf that the spider was on, and you know, I was grossed out. I'm not sure if y'all saw it last week, but I'm disgusted by it. Up next was my beautiful herb garden that had kale, lettuce, thyme, spinach, and yeah, it is. Things have been going to flower and things been eating the kale leaves, and yeah. All right, you guys, let's get into harvest time. It's not much, but this is what I have. Tomatoes, and that one actually came off by mistake, that green one, but we're gonna eat it anyway. And my habanero pepper. Now, some was ate before I could record it, so but this is what's left. Now, if you made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for taking the time out to support me on my journey, and hopefully you learned something and learn from my mistakes. So yeah, thank you so much once again, and for more videos like this, click here.